Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. To me, there's nothing more fun than getting things with your initial on it. And so I selected this bag with the letter L from BeeGreen for my friend. I just thought it would be a really cute gift to give her to cheer her up on maybe a bad day or a just because gift. The bag is really well made. It's a great alternative to the bags that you get at a show that you use for groceries at the store. I love the canvas handles that are on it, as well as the naturally coated canvas. Although the bag is not washable, it would still be great to be able to use maybe with some fresh fruits from the farmer's market and just go ahead and tote them around. Plenty of room for a nice little shopping trip. The inside is coated as well, and it's a nice durable hard canvas. It has an inside pocket if you needed it. And so just really happy with the details on the bag, the color and the embroidery, making it a really special gift for either a friend or maybe another one for me. And that's my point of view.